Welcome back to another episode of Soul Food. I'm your host, Almighty. I did have my son doing the camera, but now he's doing big boy stuff, so I don't got him holding the camera anymore. I had to find other ways to get this cracking. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Oh, and as you guys see, your boy had to put them on. Just like I said, after I did the unboxing yesterday, I had said I'm throwing these bad boys on tomorrow. So this is that New Balance MT 580 black and gray on foot. Yeah, these are some bad boys, man. I had to throw them on, man. I had to throw them on. Keep in mind, I had these for a couple weeks, and had I had known that they looked like this, I would have threw them on sooner. But good things come to those who wait. I'm very appreciative. I feel very blessed to be in a position to even have shoes like this on my feet, or to have shoes, period. Because there's a lot of people out there that are dealing with whatever hardships, and they're not as fortunate as I. So I'm very blessed and grateful, and I'm humbled by all the new subscribers and all the people that follow my channel. So peace and blessings and prosperity to you guys for holding me down, holding yourselves down, and staying afloat in this world that we live in. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing of the brand new 2025 All-Star Air Force One low. So unfortunately, I have to admit to you guys that I'm not really pleased with the boxing for what the shoe is and the details with the textures and how ill this shoe is to me. The box could have been done a lot better. You know, they just threw it in this traditional red and white Nike box, almost like they weren't even sure that they were going to come out with the shoe, or they came out with the shoe, didn't know what they were going to do with the shoe, and by that point they had already made the boxing and they threw it in there. Unless there's another release or another type of boxing that came with a certain variation of the shoe, I'm not really sure. But for the most part, this is the box I got. I have two pairs of these. I was really feeling the shoe that much where I copped two pairs. I've already wore one, and so we back. Let's see what we're working with. So the thing about this shoe, beautiful, 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 beautiful shoe. Might I add, beautiful shoe, beautiful shoe. Really thick, beautiful. I want to say these laces, no, they're not waxed, but let me just show you on the camera. These are some good laces right here. Broad laces. So Nike hit you with the star, the little Nike star for the lace, for the shoelace holder. We have some the mirror check, mirror heel panel, big branding on the back, no check, Nike Air. Shoe's beautiful, suede, and the whole shoe is basically suede, black on black, midsole and outsole, no accents on the stitching. But there's one thing that's really, really ill about this shoe that I'm not sure if the camera is gonna be able to pick up, is that there is some sort of branding. I wanna say it's like a camouflage of some sort. I'm not really sure if the camera is picking that bad boy up, but when the sun hits this or the light hits it a certain way, it reflects and it shows a pattern around that front panel right there. I'm really not even sure what that is. I would have to like check this shoe out under a black light, or see if Nike found a way to advertise or promote this shoe while showing you what it looks like with this light. But when the shoe hits a certain way, beautiful shoe, man. I love this shoe. That's why I had to get two. It was mandatory, because I figured the first one was going to be one of those ones. I should say not the first one, but I figured out I was going to have one that I wore not a lot, but be able to throw on, because it's a neck breaker. It's definitely a neck breaker. So I knew after wearing it, I was going to want to wear it again, possibly wear it again, and probably get like 4 to 5 more wears out of it before retiring it for the year. So I just backed up, keep one on ice. this is a beautiful shoe. The way the mirror hits, you really can see your reflection in it too. That's the kicker. Now, the material on this bad boy is not obviously glass. They use some sort of material that kind of simulates what a mirror would do, which obviously shows your reflection, but without using actual glass to give you the feel. But the shoe's beautiful. Shoe's beautiful. I love the chrome hits. Just adding the chrome on this shoe made it that much more beautiful. And obviously, a lot of people didn't even know about this shoe. For those that are really into shoes, knew this was coming out. And I know on the sneakers app, this shoe sold out immediately. Immediately, it sold out. I was able to find another pair. There's a couple stores, couple boutiques that still have pairs of these left, scattered sizes, like really, really small or really, really big. So after this review, after this unboxing, check out some of your premier boutiques. Yeah, and I think both shoes are slightly different with whatever print that they put on this front tab here, not tab, but this front panel. It's hard to tell exactly what it is. Like I said, it almost looks like a camouflage on here, but I'm very pleased with this shoe. It's almost like, if I'm to describe it more, it's almost like they splattered black glue all over this front piece right here. And do they have it on where the laces are? It's hard to tell, but that's what it looks like. It's almost like there's glue on it, but you can't tell when you're looking at the shoes like this here. You can only tell when that light hits it a certain way. But this is a beautiful shoe, man. Beautiful shoe. 2025 All-Star Nike Air Force One with the chrome hits. Star shoelace lock, or I should say shoelace holder. I'm not really even sure what that thing is called anymore. I'd be calling it a lace lock, but it can't be a lace lock because lace lock goes on the 6s and the retro 5s, so it's not that. But whatever those things are called, drop it in the comments if you know. But I'm pleased with the shoe, great pickup. Like I said, the only con that I have is that the boxing is terrible. With a shoe that looks like this, with these type of textures, and this beauty and this design and this much effort to go into the shoe for it to come out in a red and white Nike box is disheartening, to say the least. And that's all I got for you. Both shoes came out beautiful. You know, Nike has a way of letting you know their product is authentic because they'll slap this little green and white sticker inside the boxes, so the people that be selling the knockoffs aren't aware, but they could be aware by now, because you know, a lot of the shoes that they're making nowadays are being made in the factories that they make our real ones. So think what they call those, not fakes, they call them something else. Can't even think of the word right now. But yeah, that's the Air Force One low. They put the word retro on the box too, but yeah, black and chrome, noir chrome. Beautiful shoe, man. I'm very pleased. Thanks for tuning in. I'm your boy, and stay tuned for tomorrow's episode. See what tomorrow brings. Love, light, and peace.